As the crucial 2019 Lok Sabha polls approach closer, the key organizational leaders of the BJP, RSS and Sangh affiliates hold a two-day-long deliberation meet in Haryana. This is following the setback on the by-poll losses. The top rung of the BJP and RSS have now begun introspection on the same. At the meet, organizational issues and plans for the future are being discussed. RSS General Secretary Bhaiyaji Joshi is also present at the meet today, while the BJP President Amit Shah is likely to speak on the concluding day, that's tomorrow. Currently, the crucial meet is underway behind closed doors. Sources suggest that PM Modi will be meeting key functionaries of the BJP and the RSS at his official residence over dinner tonight. Shireen from Times Now joins in, and a fairly crucial meet, Shireen, between the BJP and RSS.
Well, today is the second day of the crucial BJP and RSS Chintan Shivir, and in this on the second day, the main points that were discussed were the Lok Sabha elections 2019, and also what the BJP and the RSS intend to do for the Dalits. Now, we have been seeing the kind of atrocities that is happening against the Dalits, and that is the crucial point that was discussed in the second day of the Chintan Shivir, the crucial meet between the BJP and RSS. What the party intends to do for them, how they can reach out to Dalits before the Lok Sabha elections. Also, from the BJP, there were the general secretaries and secretary from the organization who were gathered here, and from the RSS, there were a couple of leaders, and also Bhaiyaji Joshi, who himself addressed the gathering, and also Swayam Sevak Krishna Gopal was also present in this crucial meeting. They also focused on the upcoming assembly elections in the three states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and how they can actually win and reach out to their cadre, and how they can strategize and win the election was also a topic. They also discussed multiple current situations that is happening in the country. So these were some of the topics that were discussed. Today is the second day. This is a three-day meet, and tomorrow is going to be the final day of the Chintan Shivir. In the final day, we will be getting more updates of this crucial meeting. Tomorrow is the day when the whole meeting will end. But this time, the focus was on how they can win 2019 election. The strategies were chalked down, and also the focus was Ab Ki Baar Bhajpa Sarkar.